Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Jobs with Shubham. So today I'm going to provide a very good opportunity. So those who are looking for software engineer job as a entry level, so you can apply for the job. This is a very good opportunity. And अभी तक मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए ऐसे ही डेली जॉब नोटिफिकेशन अपडेट के लिए. So let's go and start the video. This is the page of Symphony and it's a hiring for associate software engineer for Indore location, and it's talking about this job description. So designation is from associate software developer, and they are hiring for Indore or Bangalore location. So it's talking about this, what you will do. So design, code, develop, and the solution convert business requirement into technical, automate telco solution, guideline leaders, and adhering to our valuable purpose for philosophies and the positive employee experience, and all these things you have to know. And responsibility is that uh, producing clean, efficient code and the based specification, testing and deploying programming a system, fixing and improving existing software, work with the developer, design algorithm and flowchart, produce clean and efficient code and based on the specification, and troubleshooting, debug with upgrading existing software, and gathering and evaluate user feedback, and all these things you have to know. And those who have done a BTech, CS, IT, ECE, MCA, MTech or CSIT can apply. And knowledge skill is that understanding of experience of a software development, software engineering, similar role, familiarity with the agile development methodology, experience with software design and development, experience with coding language like Java, J2E, C++, and Linux and Python, and all these things you have to know. Excellent communication skill is that, and all these things you have to know. And how to apply for the job, so you have to just click here apply now, and the application page will open, so you can go and check about this. Moving to the next job. Next job is coming from Iris, and it's hiring for graduate engineer trainee for Noida location. So let's talking about this job description. So analyst in a charge of monitoring and auditing the company system. They also keep an open eyes of network traffic, ensure the suspicious behavior to taking place. So let's talking about these roles and responsibilities. So to monitor all the organization of IT infrastructure with the help of monitoring tool, analyze, detect, assessment, and mitigate security threats, analyst recent and investigate a security incident, and all these things we have to know. And should we have a comfortable or 24/7 work environment, must have a good ethical skill and management and evaluate. And roles and responsibility is that the role of responsibility of SOS analyst, and multiple nature of the ensure security company operation, ensure the sensitive data and information of organization are safe. They protect our company system to hackers of malicious activity, and management and evaluation of security incident, and plus alert, assist security and business risk, and all these things you have to know. And how to apply for the job, so you have to just click here apply now, and the application page will open, so you can go and check about this. So in this video we have talked about two different job role, what is the job role and how to apply for the job. And if you are looking for this job roles, you can apply for the job. This is a very good opportunity. And अभी तक मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए ऐसे ही डेली जॉब नोटिफिकेशन अपडेट के लिए. And if you have any question, then ask me in the comment section, I will help you. So thanks for watching. Till the goodbye.